To adjust left-right sound balance for the connected audio device on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Scroll down the screen. As you can see, under connected audio, the left-right sound balance is set to center, where both the left and right audio channel play at equal volume. To adjust the left-right sound balance, tap the slider to adjust the balance between the left and right channels. As the example, if you notice that the audio tends to be louder on the right side, then move the slider slightly to the left so that the sound will be more even between both channels. As you are adjusting, your phone will play audio to help you fine-tune the audio balance as you need. Given to the function, adjusting the left-right sound balance can help you fix the issue of uneven audio while using audio device such as earbud, wired headphone, a Bluetooth speaker, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.